This is Gaga's Joy's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making Reese cup brownies. And how good is that? And you can use your own brownie mix, and I always use a mix. And I got this one. And just like that. Package says 1/4 cup of oil, 1/4 cup of water, and 1 egg. Brownies do not last. I don't even have to put my brownies in any container. They do not last at my house. I just set them on the table, and before you know it, it's where's the brownies, and they're all gone. Now, I'm going to spray my dish here with just Pam, of course. I love Pam, don't you? And I'm using the mini white Reese cups. Break up as many as I can in here. I don't know why I decided to get white, but I just thought, well, that'd be pretty in the chocolate. Because I was going to get the regular Reese cups. And I thought I'd better make these brownies as soon as I could, or I'd eat the Reese cups. Reese cups are hard to keep when you got people who and you're coming through that love them. See how many we got here. Oh, I think we could take some more. This might be a lot enough. We don't have to be too greedy. I don't know. Yeah, I think that's enough. Let's see, I think I've got the right oven temperature at 375. No, I gotta go down a little bit. So I'll drop it down to 325. And I'll have to let it cool down a little bit, so I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm gonna put let's go ahead, because I got my oven cooled down a little bit. I had it on 375. Made it got a little too dry there. Sometimes an ordinary spoon does the best thing. Okay, to the 325 oven for 30 minutes, and we'll be back. Well, I'm taking the brownies out. And I'm going to put, just for decoration, I'll put a few Reese cups on it. Well, oh, this is another one that smells so divine. got your Reese Cup Brownies. I think they're going to be wonderful, but again, you know, I can't cut them because you have to let brownies set or they just fall all to pieces or run. But we've had a good day, and I know my grandchildren are going to love these. I hope yours do. Remember the joy as always, and we'll see you soon. Bye.